Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Sabrina Haq, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take a science class for class 5 student on the based on competency based question answer and short answer questions and its answer from chapter 7. Dear students, take your textbook in your and open page number 47. Follow the class with your textbook and with your copy. Dear students, let us move to our today's topic. We will first discuss about competency based question and answer. This is the number 10 competency based board question, and the question is, what is contact disease? In which way infectious disease spread? Write in 5 ways. Dear students, answer of the question is, the disease which can spread directly or indirectly from one person to another is called contact disease or infectious disease. This type of disease can be spread in the following ways. First one is the germs of influenza, swine flu, jaundice, pox, malaria, scabies, measles, etc. You can also write here about the name of COVID-19 are spread out through cough, spit and hiccup of the patient. Now, second one is the germs of the above mentioned diseases can be spread through the contact of the diseased person. And third one is infectious diseases may break out through contaminated food, water and air. And fourth one is the infected female Anopheles mosquito can cause malaria by biting a healthy person. And fifth one is Culex mosquito spreads cephalanthisis. Now we will discuss about short answer questions and its answer. In our previous class we have discussed from 1 to 5 number short answer questions, and its answer today we will discuss from 6 to 11. First one is infectious diseases can spread in different ways. Give 5 ways of how to prevent infectious diseases. The answer of the question is 5 ways to prevent infectious diseases are, first one is covering face during cough and sneezes, and second one is using safe water and washing hands properly with soap. Third one is keeping our environment clean. Fourth one is removing any objects that hold water, and fifth one is getting vaccination and avoiding unhygienic food. Dear student, next question is, what are the causes of infectious diseases? The answer of the question is, infectious diseases are caused by the entrance of germs such as bacteria, viruses, fungi into body. The diseases can spread directly or indirectly from one person to another. Our next question is, what is a good way to manage your anxiety about changing body looks during puberty? The answer of the question is, during puberty physical changes can make us feel anxious. Then the best thing to do is to talk to parents, teachers or elder brother or sister, and we should maintain personal hygiene and eat nutritious food. Our next question is, why is BCG vaccine is given to the kid? The answer of the question is, BCG vaccine is given to the kids for the protection from tuberculosis. Next question is, write 2 causes of infectious disease. The answer of the question is, Two causes of infectious disease are, first one is eating contaminated food or drinking contaminated water, and second one is using utensil of an infected person. Here utensil means the plate, glass or other usable things which is used by an infected person. Now we will go to our 11 number question, and this is the last question for today. Your elder brother is 14 years old boy. He is facing some problems due to some changing of his body and mind. What is it known as word? Define it. The answer of the question is, this is known as puberty. Puberty is the time in life when our body begins to develop and change from the body of a child to the body of a teenager. Usually puberty starts between age 8 to 13 in girls and age 9 to 15 in boys. Dear students, here I have given homework for you. This is 14 number homework of your annual term, and you have to do short question answers 6 to 11. Dear students, you will write only the answer from 6 to 11 and you have to submit on Sunday. Dear students, that means this one, this one, this one, this one, this one and this one is your homework. Dear students, I have finished my today's topic. Hope you have understood. If you feel any problem, you can contact with me. I have given my contact number and messenger ID on the board. Keep practicing, learn all the question answer and all the exercises whatever we have done in the online classes. This is so much important for you and for your annual term. Do all the SW, submit it regularly because you will get your CT diary and SBA marks on the basis on your performance of SW. Stay safe, stay home. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.